Okay, I will walk you over assignment 1. So this is assignment 1, and you come to this URL, you click on this URL and open the Teradata network. In the Teradata network, you have to register first, okay, as a student, and you will use the password big data. Once you register, you will come to this site. I've already registered myself, so I can be here. So from here you go to software and resources. We will be using Microstrategy, okay, as a software to produce different kinds of data analysis reports. So I come here to Microstrategy Business Intelligence. So we are using Microstrategy's business intelligence software, and from here we go to Microstrategy 9 analysis module. Okay, so Microstrategy has business intelligence software, and we are using this to produce different kinds of analysis and reports. So from here we go to the Salesforce analysis module. So you can see that you can use Microstrategy's software for financial reporting, for human resources, for Salesforce, and so on and so forth. So we go for Salesforce analysis module. Okay, from here we go to shared reports, and we go to we go to product sales analysis. Okay, so product sales analysis reports provide insight into trends in product sales across the sales organization and customer base. So we do that. Now then we do product performance summary by quarter. So basically we want to find out the product sales performance by quarter, and we do that. Okay, so we have to select 2009. If it is on the left side, you select it and then add it to the right side, and then it is selected, and you run the report. So you can see once you run the report that you have information on the different columns: orders containing product, average product revenue, revenue change, contribution to product group in different quarters of 2009. You have 2009 quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. So let's go back to quarter 1 and then we go to design. Okay, so our work starts from here. In the assignment, actually we are here. In number 3, we are here. So we have to start from here and go to the design icon. So we have done that design thing, and then we have to remove orders containing product. They are removed once the box to the left is highlighted. Then average product is removed, revenue change removed, contribution to product group removed. So I have now left these, and then I run the report. So now I have information on this. Okay, let me go back to the design view. I have this, okay, and then I remove I believe product group and product also. So I have metrics and revenue. So here now I am here actually in page 4. Okay, now my work starts from here, and then I have to design report 1, where I want sales district in rows and by quarter, which is in columns, analysis. So I have to have this sales district and quarter under matrix. Okay, so I go here to find out sales district. I have to go to all objects, and then I have to go to schema objects. I go to attributes, I go to sales organization, and I get sales district. Now sales district must come in row when you bring a item. Okay, first of all, this one is called the template definition pane. Okay, template definition pane, and this side is called the browser pane. So when I need to move the item from the browser pane to the template definition pane, what happens is that when I move it in a row, then the row yellow horizontal lines are highlighted. When I remove it in a column, then vertical lines are highlighted. Okay, so I bring give me 1 second, I need to find out something. Okay, yeah, I'm fine. So what I'm doing is I have to bring sales district into the row and quarter into the row. So I bring sales district into the row. Row means horizontal, so the horizontal line has to be highlighted. It has to be yellow. Okay, so I bring sales district, and I also need to bring quarter. Quarter is here, so I from the page by, or that is called the pivot, I bring down quarter. And remember, I'm bringing it in row, so the row has to be the horizontal line has to flash. So horizontal line is here. Now they have to be in the same. So I move it here, sales district and quarter. I'm fine now. So if you look at it, so remember, yellow horizontal line flashes when you move an attribute to the horizontal axis, and yellow vertical line flashes when you move it to the vertical axis. So it should look like this now, which is true. It is looking like this. So now I run the report. When I run the report, what happens is I get revenues for 8 sales district. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sales district for each quarter of 2009, because we selected 2009 before. That's what we got. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to save it as, and I call it report 1 product performance summary by quarter. You have to type it in. I have practiced it before, so it is already there. So I just save it on top of that. You type it in, report 1 product performance summary by quarter, and then you run newly saved report. 2009 is already selected, so you run it again, and then you go to PDF. Okay, you export, and then you open with, and you get this. Take a screenshot and paste it in the Word document. This is your report 1. Okay. So next, what you have to do is we have to prepare report 2. You have to do it by sales region, product group, by quarter. So it should look like this: sales region, product group, and then quarter is in the pivot, page by. So what I have to do is I have to close window, close this one. From here I will go to design page. Okay, sales district I will highlight. It's not working that way. Let me go to okay. Let me run the report. It's there. Now sales district here. I can click on the sales district. I can drill it to the sales region. Okay. I drilled it to the sales region. I get this. Okay. Now I go to the design view. I remove the sales district. Okay. I don't want the sales district. So I remove the sales district. I have sales region and quarter. I also need the product group. So to have the product group, I need to go to all objects. I need to go to schema objects, attributes, product group, and I need to bring it to the row. So the horizontal line has to flash, right? So I bring it to the row. Horizontal line has to flash. I got it. I need to remove the quarter from here to the page by. Yellow line has to be highlighted, so I remove it. So I now have matrix and then sales and region, sales region and product group under matrix. So this is what I need, and then I run it and name it as report 2 and take a screenshot. Okay, so I run it. Okay, so these are the different quarters, and I am here for quarter 1. So you can see that there are 3 sales region, 3 product groups, server, client and services, and the revenue for the 3 product groups for each quarter are listed. Okay, so now I save it. I do it as report to sales region, and then I say yes, and then I run my newly saved report, and I run it again with 2009 selected, and then I do PDF conversion, I export, I open with, and I take a screenshot and I paste it in my Word document, which is my report 2. Okay, now report 3. What is there in report 3? There are 3 reports that I have to work on. I am done with 2. Report 3 is a brand new report. I have to get into Salesforce analysis, create report, blank report, and then I have to have quarter and lead type under matrix. Okay, so let me do that. I have to close this. I have to close this. I'm here into Salesforce analysis module. Okay, one more time, it's giving me errors. Okay, it worked this time. So I again logged into that Salesforce analysis module. This time I create a report and I use a blank report. Okay, here I get into matrix and I drag and drop. What do I have to do? Do I have to drag and drop matrix? Okay, let's see. I choose matrix, amount, revenue, and drag it to the template definition pane. So I choose matrix, amounts, revenue, and I drag it to the template definition pane. Is it in the row? I think the matrix is in the row. So I have made a mistake. Matrix, I remove it, and then I drag it to the row, means I have to have the yellow line. So I got it now. Okay, and then I have to have the lead type and quarter, and I will get lead type from schema objects attributes lead. Okay, so schema objects attributes, so I will get into attributes and I will get the lead type from lead, and lead type comes as comes in the row, so I have to have the yellow line highlighted. Okay, comes in the row. Lead type, and also I need to have quarter, and quarter I believe I can get from time. So attributes, time, quarter, and quarter has to be in the row again, so it has to be in the row quarter. Okay, now quarter I bring down quarter. Okay, matrix, quarter, lead type. So this is what I am here, matrix, quarter, lead type, and then I run the report. I'm almost there. I run it. Okay, now you see I save as report 3 and I run my saved report, and you can PDF it now, export. Now you see open with Adobe, you can see that for each quarter of 2009, quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4, I have some extra data too. It shows the revenue for new business and existing business. Okay, now I take a screenshot and I save it in my Word document, which is my report 3. Paste it. Now save it and submit it via Blackboard, and we are done. Basically, so we have used Microstrategy's business intelligence software to produce product performance report for the year 2009.